Hey guys, Saki from SAKITECH, and in today's video we want to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S11 / the S20 because as you know, the S11 might be renamed to S20 in 2020. But in this video I want to talk about specifically the actual display of the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. So there are definitely going to be three phones this year, and the good news is all of these smartphones are going to have larger displays. Even the smallest S20, which is going to be approximately 6.2 inches. Then you're going to have the S20 Plus, which is going to have a 6.7 inch display. And then finally, we're going to have the S20 Ultra, which is going to have a 6.9 inch display. And of course, all of these displays, and this is the biggest thing that a lot of people are anticipating, are going to have a 120 hertz refresh rate, which you're going to be able to toggle on and off. Now this information is based on a bunch of reliable leaks from various sources, but it's been reinforced several times by Ice Universe as well. So that's as good as unofficial confirmation for the display's refresh rate. And like I said, you are going to be able to toggle that on or off as you please. So you can go to 60 hertz or 120 hertz based on your needs. As you know, if you have 60 hertz, you get a longer battery life, and if you put it on 120 hertz, you might see some dips in battery life. Nothing dramatic, but some dips in battery life, so you'll be able to manage that situation as well. And of course, all three phones are going to have a center hole cutout right on the top, in the middle, and they're going to look gorgeous. These are going to be the dynamic OLED displays that we've seen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is a gorgeous display. Now, one thing I do want to talk about is some people that do have the Note 10, the S9, the S10, and they have 60 hertz displays shouldn't be too much discouraged because 60 hertz is fine. 120 is slightly better as far as overall smoothness is concerned, but it's not a make or break it situation. Now, right now, on the market, we have several smartphones that do have the high refresh rate, but I'm not using any one of those because I look at the total package, and as a total package, phones like the S9, S10, the Note 10, the Note 10 Plus, they are brilliant with minimum compromises. So instead of me using a phone with a higher refresh rate, I'm using these guys, and that shows you that it's not the refresh rate is not everything, but the fact that we're gonna get it on the S11 or the S20 is good. We should be getting everything that's current on flagships of this caliber. But just don't be discouraged if you don't have it on your smartphone. You don't have to upgrade just because of the refresh rate, but then again, you can also do it if you want to. But anyway, that's what I want to talk about in this video. The screen is going to be probably the best screen on the market, as is the case with Samsung smartphones and Samsung made displays. So I'm really looking forward to, and of course, in my case, I would go directly with the S10 Ultra, which has got the largest screen because that's the way I like it. Now, one more comment on that. Some people are concerned that as the screens get bigger, the phone is getting bigger as well. And that's been true so far. But with Samsung, what they're doing is they're minimizing the actual bezels while keeping the overall dimensions of the body the same. So it's not going to be any larger than the Note 10. And if it is, it's going to be by a very slight margin. And Note 10 Plus is very easy to handle as a smartphone. And of course, very convenient because you've got that large real estate. Everything seems perfect. All right, so drop your comments down below. Let me know if you care about the refresh rate or not. And of course, let me know, would you get the S10, the S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra, and why? All right, for now, guys, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.